So today we are going to discuss how to find out the domain of different kind of functions like algebraic, exponential, trigonometric, can be inverse, logarithmic. So in different kind of functions, how to find out the domain. We will discuss it in detail. Firstly, you have to note down this. I will explain. Like if we have algebraic function, in that case, mainly you have to look for denominator should not be 0. Means कि denominator should be non-zero for algebraic function. First point I have written, denominator should be non-zero. Second point, expression under even root. What is the meaning of even root? Even root means square root, fourth root, sixth root, eighth root, etc. should not be negative. So expression under even root should not be negative. Third point I have written, odd root of any real number is defined because at least one odd root of a real number is real. और इसको आगे हम एग्जाम्पल से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे फिर. So I have described about the algebraic function. Now move on to logarithmic. So log of a to the base b. What is the condition? A should be more than 0, means a should be positive, strictly positive. B should be more than 0, strictly positive. And one more condition, base should not be equal to 1. So these things will be applied while finding out the domain of a logarithmic function. Next in line is exponential function. A raised to the power x. E भी इसी में कवर हो जाएगा. E raised to the power x. Because here A means what? A can take values from 0 to 1. इसको दो पार्ट में we can see it in two parts. Or more than one. So in this case, a raised to the power x is defined for all x, but condition being a should be more than 0. A should be more than 0. So I have described for algebraic, logarithmic and exponential. Now next in line is trigonometric functions. So sin x and cos x are defined for all x, means the domain of sin x and cos x is all real numbers. What about tan and sec? They are defined for all x except odd multiples of pi by 2. Here I have written x equals to 2n plus 1. It is 2n. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. N belongs to z. Z is what? Z is the set of integers. Or you can write it like this. N equals to 0, comma, plus minus 1, comma, plus minus 2, comma, plus minus 3. So on. It will go on and on. Means n belongs to z and z is set of integers. So tan x and sec x are defined for all x except odd multiples of pi by 2. Similarly, cot x and cosec is defined for all x except x equal to n pi. N pi, where n is what? Again same condition, n being an इंटीजर. तो इन चीज़ों को हमें देखना होगा, कंडीशंस लगाना होगा जब क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. देयर अगेन यू विल हैव टू रिकॉल दिस की हाउ टू यूज दिस. नाउ कम्स इनवर्स. So sin inverse and cos inverse it is defined for only for these values of x, for from -1 to 1 close interval है ये, -1 to 1 including -1 and 1. Tan inverse and cot inverse defined for all x. Sec inverse x and cosec inverse x is defined for either x less than equal to -1 or x more than equal to 1. तो इन पॉइंट्स को आपको प्रॉपरली नोट डाउन कर लेना है पहले, और डू मेमोराइज these points because while doing questions we will be using these concept. So note down these points, then now we will start doing questions one by one. So now we are going to do questions relating to domains. So here I have taken 3 questions. बिल्कुल सिंपल से स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर स्लोली एंड स्लोली we will approach towards the difficult ones. All the 3 are falls in the category of algebraic function, as you can very well see. What will be the domain of first one? What was the condition that I wrote? I had written denominator should not be equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे कोई स्क्वायर रूट वगैरह तो नहीं है फर्स्ट केस में, तो सिर्फ कंडीशन यहाँ पे क्या लग जाएगी, फॉर y to be defined this thing should not be equal to 0. This implies x should not be equal to 2. मीन्स कि x की वैल्यू 2 नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो what will be the answer? See it on the number line. इसको लिखने के तरीके कई हो सकते हैं. x नॉट इक्वल टू 2, कंडीशन सिर्फ 2 पे है, 2 नहीं लेना. तो वी कैन टेक फ्रॉम -∞ to 2. We are not including 2, union 2 to infinity. एक तरीका ये है. और all the real numbers, suppose I represent set of real numbers by capital R, इसमें से निकाल दिया एक नंबर and that is 2. I have removed 2 from this. So all the real numbers except 2 is the domain for this function. So I think you have understood this. Note down. Now I will move on to second one. Can you see the change? What is the change? Here we don't have square root sign, here we have square root sign. So my second point was, any expression under even square root, fourth root, sixth root should not be negative. मीन्स कि इसकी वैल्यू स्ट्रिक्टली, यहाँ पे कंडीशन था नॉट इक्वल टू 0, यहाँ पे स्ट्रिक्टली क्योंकि रूट के अंदर है तो 0 तो नहीं होगा सिंस इट इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर, और ये नेगेटिव भी नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है. इट शुड बी नॉन नेगेटिव. ये तो फर्स्ट केस हो गया. सेकेंड केस, x - 2 should be strictly greater than 0, means x should be greater than 2. So our answer is x greater than 2. We are not including 2 to infinity, because if you take 2 here it will become 0 and 1 upon 0 is not defined, and any number less than 2 if you take, this will become square root of a negative number which is not real in nature. So this is the answer for the second question. So note down. Now I am going to do third one. It is a good one. Think for a while how to solve this, because now we have square root sign as well as mod is there. So property of mod, we will have to use the property of mod, modulus function. So how to solve this? Condition, same condition we will apply in the third case as we have applied in the second one. For y to be defined, स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर क्या है, तो मॉड x माइनस एक्स, दिस शुड बी मोर देन जीरो. हमें ये जानना है कि ये चीज़ कहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड दिस वेयर इट इज पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि मॉड है और उसको मॉड को हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. मॉड x इक्वल टू एक्स व्हेन x इज मोर देन जीरो एंड इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स व्हेन x इज लेस देन जीरो. नाउ लुक, इसको केसेस में करें. लेट्स से व्हेन x इज पॉजिटिव, x मोर देन जीरो. नाउ ओपन दिस, mod x becomes x minus x more than 0, 0 more than 0, which is not true. Means for x more than 0, no real values we are getting. Now we will take case 2. If x is less than 0, in that case mod x equals to minus x. And this thing should be more than 0. Minus 2x should be more than 0. Now just by applying the law of inequality, if we multiply both sides by negative minus 1, the sign of inequality will get reversed. So 2x will be less than 0, so x will be less than 0. Now here look, I have taken x less than 0 and we are getting x less than 0. Means ki all the point which is less than 0 will be satisfying this expression. And therefore our answer will be minus infinity to 0, x less than 0. Just draw a number line. X less than 0 means this side, all the numbers less than 0 up to what, minus infinity is not included, because minus infinity is not a real number, it is a symbol. What does it symbolize? It is a symbol. It symbolizes what? Any real number, however small you can imagine, it is, this symbol is much smaller than that imagined number. So now I will do some more questions. Note down. So now fourth question. Now we are going to solve this. Here you can see this one algebraic and this one is logarithmic. So all the conditions, what are the conditions? For y to be defined, पहले इसको चेक करते हैं. पहला कंडीशन मैंने कहा था कि 1 upon something, डिनोमिनेटर शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. This means log of 1 minus x to the base 10, this should not be equal to 0. This implies 1 minus x should not be equal to 10 raised to the power 0. This implies 1 minus x should not be equal to 1. And this implies x should not be equal to 0. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट कंडीशन. नाउ ये हमने अप्लाई किया 1 अपॉन समथिंग, डिनोमिनेटर शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. नाउ फॉर दिस लॉग टू बी डिफाइंड, वहाँ मैंने क्या लिखा था, लॉग ऑफ, आई हैड मेंशन्ड log of a to the base b. a should be more than 0, b should be more than 0, and b not equal to 1. Now you can see b is not equal to 1, obviously it's 10, so not equal to 1. This thing should be more than 0, a should be more than 0. So next condition will be 1 minus x should be more than 0. This implies x should be more than 1. Now we have finished with this part. Now come to this part. We have only this expression is in the denominator, but this thing is inside the square root sign. So condition we will apply is x plus 2 should be more than equal to 0, because square root of 0 is also defined. Square root of only positive number including 0 is defined. Only we will not take for negative numbers. So from here we are getting x more than equal to minus 2. अब जितने पॉइंट्स हमने निकाले इनको नंबर लाइन पे प्लॉट करके, इट इज़ बेटर टू प्लॉट इट ऑन नंबर लाइन एंड देन सी व्हाट इज़ कॉमन. इसमें कॉमन क्या मिल रहा है हमें, जो डिफरेंट वैल्यूज़ मिला है उसको मार्क कर लें हम. x मोर देन 1 है, 0 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, और -2 है. तो -2 स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर लेफ्ट, सबसे लेफ्ट में आएगा. -2 0 आ जाएगा, और ये 1 आ गया. दिस कंडीशन से x शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स कि 0 को तो हम ले नहीं सकते. दिस से x शुड बी मोर देन 1. मोर देन 1 मीन्स we can move towards plus infinity, and this says x should be more than equal to -2. Now look, what is the common in all these? X should be more than equal to -2. X should not be equal to 0. And x should be more than 1. I think here we have made a small mistake. I think -x more than -1. This implies x should be less than 1. So we will have to plot it like this. X should be less than 1 this side. इसको मैंने ऐसे रखा है मीन्स कि 1 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, और डीप कर दिया इसको मीन्स कि ये इंक्लूडेड है. नाउ व्हाट इज कॉमन? नाउ लुक दिस पार्ट, फ्रॉम -2 to 2 इज कॉमन. -2 से ज़्यादा ले सकते हैं और 1 से कम ले सकते हैं. हाँ, 0 नहीं लेना. तो -2 to 0 आ जाएंगे, 0 रहेगा ओपन, हाँ -2 को क्लोज कर सकते हैं क्योंकि -2 यहाँ पे इंक्लूडेड है. देन दिस पार्ट union, 0 is not included again, 0, and 1 is also not included. So this is the final answer of this question. So note down, -2 to 0, -2 is included, and 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. These 2 points are not included. So just by plotting it on a number line, it becomes easier for you to make out what is the domain. Now we are going to take next question. So next question is y equals to sin inverse log x upon 3 to the base 3. Now how to solve this? Pause the video for a while. Try to do it yourself first. Now we have logarithmic function as well as inverse. As you can see, sin inverse is also involved here. Log is also involved. So both the conditions we will have to apply. Now how to find the domain for this function? So what will be the condition? First thing, अगर log को define करना है तो a should be more than 0. x upon 3, first condition, this thing should be more than 0. This implies x should be more than 0. Now second point, sin inverse of something, I written there sin inverse is only defined for this. So this whole thing, it should lie in between -1 and 1. Now how to solve this? So we can remove the base, can be written like this. Multiplying all the 3 by 3, since we are multiplying it by a positive number, so the sign of inequality will not get reversed. So in the first case we have x should be more than 0. In the second case we have x should lie in between 1 and 9, including 1 as well as 9. What is common in both, that we will take. So just plot it on a number line. Plot the different points. This says it should be more than 0, and this says x should lie in between. Deep कर दिया means कि included है ये point. So you can very well see this thing is common. So our answer would be 1 to 9. This will be the domain. So domain will be 1, 9, close interval 1,9. Now we will move on to next question. Fifth one, fx equal to log x plus 3 to the base 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन भी इन्वॉल्व है और लॉगरिथमिक भी है. तो लॉग पे क्या कंडीशन लगती है इस पे? लॉग ऑफ a टू द बेस b a शुड बी मोर देन 0, मीन्स कि x प्लस 3 शुड बी मोर देन 0. b ठीक है, 2 इज मोर देन 0, नो प्रॉब्लम. फ्रॉम here we are getting x should be more than -3, first condition. Now since this is in the denominator और डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 के इक्वल नहीं होता, so this thing should not be equal to 0. Now what are the points, values of x at which this will become equal to 0? So we'll just factorize this. I think it will be x plus 2 into x plus, check it once, 2x 3x. So x not equal to -2, -1. इस पे कंडीशंस लगा दिए हमने. वी आर गेटिंग -2, -1 के अलावा ये सेटिस्फाई करेगा हर वैल्यू को, रियल वैल्यू को. एंड दिस थिंग लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन हेयर x शुड बी मोर देन -3. अब दोनों को हमें कंबाइन करना है. मीन्स x कैन टेक any real value more than -3 to infinity. अब इसमें से करना क्या है, हमें सिर्फ इन दो नंबर्स को निकालना है. सेट के फॉर्म में आप लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पे एक तरीका ये भी लिखने का है. देयर आर अदर वेज ऑफ राइटिंग ऑल्सो. So our answer is open interval -3 to infinity, और इसके बीच से हमने 2 पॉइंट्स निकाल देना है, क्योंकि -3 से ग्रेटर है -2 भी और -1 भी. इसके बीच में लाई करेगा, उसको नहीं लेना. दिस मीन्स हमने इसको निगेट कर दिया, निकाल दिया बाहर. तो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Note down. Now I am moving on to next question. Sixth one, fx equal to log of mod x. What about this? What will be the domain of this function? fx equal to log of mod x. जस्ट थिंक फॉर ए वाइल. ऐसे सिंपल छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में मल्टीपल चॉइस में आ जाते हैं और इनमें गलतियां हो जाती है. फिर लॉग की कंडीशन लगानी है हमें. लॉग ऑफ मॉड एक्स, log of mod x. ना लो, log पे हम क्या कंडीशन लगाते हैं? log of a to the base b. Condition being a should be more than 0, b should be more than 0 and b should not be equal to 1. तो इन कंडीशंस को यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. अब क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी नथिंग, बेस इज नॉट गिवन, इट मीन्स बेस इज ई एंड ई इज व्हाट? ई इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 2.71 समथिंग, ई बीइंग एन इरैशनल नंबर. सो बी इज डिफाइंड. mod x is being a mod x is always more than equal to 0, more than equal to 0, but the condition is a should be more than 0, a should be more than 0. So look, we can take any real value other than except 0. Why? If you take any negative real number here, this mod will make it positive. So no more it will remain a negative except 0, because 0 mod log for 0 is not defined, log of 0 is not defined. Only for positive values it should be more than 0. So all the real numbers except 0 means माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी, इसमें हम ज़ीरो को इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. तो वन वे ऑफ राइटिंग दिस इज माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू ज़ीरो ओपन इंटरवल यूनियन ज़ीरो टू इन्फिनिटी. दिस विल बी द डोमेन फॉर दिस function. So I think you have understood. So now we will find the domain of this function. Now we have what? Log स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर x माइनस फोर प्लस स्क्वायर रूट एक्स सिक्स माइनस एक्स. लॉग को देखने पर लॉग का बेस डिफाइंड एट 2, इट इज मोर देन 0. सो व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस? सिंस दिस इज इनसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट साइन, सो x माइनस फोर इट शुड बी मोर देन इक्वल टू 0. दिस इम्प्लाइज x मोर देन इक्वल टू 4. पहला कंडीशन ये लग जाएगा. फिर इसको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. 6 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है, इट शुड बी मोर देन इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज व्हाट? x less than equal to 6. And third thing, log of this is a for this log, base is 2, b is 2 and a is this. So this whole thing should be more than 0, and this implies it is only possible when x will lie in between 4 and 6, including 4 and 6. अब इनमें इसमें कॉमन देखना है. कॉमन क्या है? व्हाट इज कॉमन in these three from A, B and C? What is common? So common is from 4 to 6, including 4 as well as 6. So we will continue in the next video with some more interesting problems. अभी स्टार्ट किया है, तो उसमें कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम भी और कंटिन्यू करेंगे डोमेन का. देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू रेंज ऑल्सो. सो डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट.